Our second chapter is computer components, and in today's class we are going to discuss the topic CPU and its components. Now, firstly let's talk about what is CPU. Well, its meaning is Central Processing Unit (CPU), sometimes referred to simply as the central processor or nerve center or heart of the computer, but more commonly called processor. The CPU is where most calculations take place. We also call CPU as the brain of the computer. Central Processing Unit (CPU). Now let's talk about what's the definition of CPU. So here's for you. Central Processing Unit (CPU) is the central component of the computer system. Sometimes it is called as the microprocessor or processor. CPU is the brain of the computer that runs the show inside the computer. All functions and processes that is done on a computer is performed directly or indirectly by the processor. Obviously, computer processor is one of the most important elements of the computer system. CPU consists of transistors that receive input and produce output. Well, transistors perform logical operation, which is called processing. It is also scientifically not only one of the most amazing part of the PC, but one of the most amazing devices in the world of technology. In terms of computer power, the computer processor is the most important element of a computer system. It adds and compares its data in CPU chip. A CPU of all computer, whether micro or mini or mainframe, must have three parts. What are the three parts? Let's discuss in detail. We have three parts of computer. That first one is arithmetic logic unit (ALU), second one is CU, that is control unit, and the third one is register. Arithmetic logic unit is the part of the computer processor CPU and can be used to perform arithmetic and logic operation. An arithmetic logic unit (ALU) is further divided into two types, that is AU arithmetic unit and LU, that is logic unit. The second part of CPU is control unit. It decodes the program instruction. CPU chip is used in a computer is particularly made out of silica. On the other words, silicon chip used for data processing are called microprocessor. Now the third one is register. It is temporary storage areas of the computer processor. It is managed by control unit, that is CU, register holding data, instruction and address that are needed by programming while running. The Central Processing Unit (CPU) has two components. Number one is control unit. The control unit extracts instructions from memory and decodes and executes them. The control unit acts as an intermediary that decodes instructions sent to the processor, tell the other units such as the arithmetic logic unit below what to do by providing control signal and then send back the processed data back to the memory. The second one is arithmetic logic unit, that is ALU. An arithmetic logic unit (ALU) is a digital circuit inside the processor that headlines arithmetic and logic operation by loading data from input register. After the control unit provides the ALU with instruction on the operation that must be performed, the ALU completes them by connecting multiple transistors and then store the result in an output register. The control unit will then move this data to the memory. To function properly, the CPU relies on the system clock, memory, secondary storage, and a data and address buses. Smaller devices like mobile phone, calculators, HAL game system, and tablet use a smaller size processor known as ARM CPUs to accommodate their reduced size and space. The CPU is the heart and the brain of the computer. It receives data, input, execute instruction, and process information. It communicates with input-output devices which send and receive data to and from the CPU. Actually, the microprocessor has an internet bus for communication with the internet cache memory called the backside bus. The main bus for data transfer to and from the CPU memory, chipset, and AGP socket is called the frontside bus. The CPU contains internal memory units which are called register. These registers contain data, instruction, counters, and address used in the ALU information processing. Some computer utilizes two or more processors. These consist of separate physical microprocessor located side by side on the same board or on separate boards. Each CPU has an independent interface, separate cache, and individual paths to the system front side bus. Multiple processors are ideal for intensive parallel tasks requiring multitasking. Multi-core CPUs are also common, in which a single chip contains multiple CPUs. Since the first microprocessor was released by Intel in November 1971, CPU has increased their computing power several-fold. The oldest Intel 404 processor only performs 60,000 operations per second, while a modern Intel Pentium processor can perform about 188 million instructions per second.